Hello friends, today in this video I will show you can't install Java in Windows 11. So how to fix this problem? If you're facing error, you can't install this Java in Windows 11. So how to fix this problem? So very easy and a quick way to resolve this problem. So firstly you need to click on search and here you need to type CMD. So just type CMD and you see this command prompt. So right click on it, click on run as an administrator. Now here you need to type this command line sfc space slash scan now. So SCANNOW. Now press enter in your keyboard and wait till this process will be 100%. If this process will be 100%, so close it and restart your PC or laptop. And after restart, you can try this install Java. Open your Chrome and install this Java. And after installing complete, so you need to again restart your PC or laptop. And your problem will be fixed and easily Java will be installed. And after install Java, so you need to restart your PC again. And after restart you can easily resolve this problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos. Thanks for watching again.